what doesn't work well on a motocross bike or a dirt bike riding off-road? Soft old sneakers. It's going to take a little work.
Hey, welcome back. This is going to be a short little video of me doing some trail maintenance.
What do we got here? Some ugly.
Alright, with these kinds of trees, because they're hung up on other trees, you never know where the tension is. I know enough to know it's under tension, so I gotta be careful with my cuts, but by anyone who's an expert chainsaw runner or even an accomplished one, you know I don't know what I'm doing.
I wasn't a big fan of that one.
But I know enough to get the trees down without killing myself or cutting myself, so that's important.
Alright, let's start with that. On to the next. Yeah, that mounts good. There's a couple little things, like I rounded out that edge. I mean to round out this one here, just in case it does pop forward a bit. That's why I use the strap here on these upper bars, on the guards. Pulls the chainsaw in tight, but also holds this thing from rocking out and potentially whacking my fork legs. But also, there's a couple little pins. I don't know if you can see that down in there. And my fender's already broken from a previous crash, so it's a bit weak, so it won't hold the weight.
So right here, I should have kept cutting on this log that I'm on right now and cut it all the way back, because underneath it, you can see kind of bent is that branch. And when I went to cut that, well, I pinched the blade and got the saw stuck. It happens.
This is our other friend. Temptation is just drop it on the ground, but it's just going to keep rolling if I do. Although, that tree and that tree, limit, cut it wide and roll it down. Maybe. Probably better just to chunk it up. Onwards to Noli Nelly. There's at least two good sized trees. I don't know if I'll get them with this saw. We'll see.
In fact, I did get them, but I did run out of battery, so that one and this one. This one was quite large, but it got the initials, SB.